One Cranky Frankie was very good first up in Mildura. Ash Matthews in the spot. Adopt the Eye quite content to start off the second eye. Another smart customer. We are set. Ready. There's the green light. Away they go. Shady McFly began well. In this centre of the line though was Caramar Philemon, who began just as good. De Niro. Cranky Frankie ducks for covering the third. But Shady McFly on the outside is pushing forward here. As endeavouring to get past Caramar Philemon, and will do so. So Shady McFly, the son of Shady Shark Hanover, takes up the running towards the 1800 metre marker and scoots clear for Courtney Slater. Leads out by 8 metres. In second spot now is Caramar Philemon as they run towards the back straight. Cranky Frankie finds himself 3 back markers in third, tracked up by De Nuno. Taken off the gate here as they run down the back straight towards the mile. All a breeze, he's back to second last, and Dot the Eye after starting on the second line, he's back towards the tail and 25 metres from the lead. And the lead is held by Shady McFly at the moment and takes the field onto the top turn, leading out by 5 metres. In second spot is Caramar Philemon. Tracking up in third, Cranky Frankie, no moves, no changes. Back in fourth, De Nuno. He's in the second half of the field. Now thinking about making a move now is All a Breeze. He eases off the markers, Leroy O'Brien, and starts to push this very well-bred colt forward as they race past the 1200 metre marker. He sits up without cover. Dot the Eye comes off the markers now as the 1-1, and De Nuno shuffle back towards the rear. Shady McFly though brings him down the front straight to get the bell, and he's dictating well. Second on the inside, Caramar Philemon. All the Breeze moves forward. He wants to go quicker. He's wanting to hang in there and do a couple of things wrong. He's got the third though. On the inside, Cranky Frankie's now held up in traffic. Dot the Eye getting past him, and out the tail is De Nuno with 800 metres to go. Leader Shady McFly has him stacked up. All a Breeze is slowly but surely reeling in the front runner. Leaders back, third Caramar Philemon. Up in the 1-1, Dot the Eye. Cranky Frankie, 3 back the inside of the 600, second last. Keeping company with De Nuno at the tail. They start to pack up. Leader Shady McFly. Travelling well on the outside. Second though is All a Breeze. Dot the Eye comes 3 wide now as they chase towards the 400. Shady McFly leads. All a Breeze on the outside, just looking around, doing a few things wrong. He's wanting to over-race, but he still holds the prime spot in the middle. Dot the Eye is third. Then on the inside, called upon De Nuno, top of the straight. Leader Shady McFly, but All a Breeze goes up to him though. Dot the Eye going with him. All a Breeze hit the front. All a Breeze. Well, he's qualifying this morning. He'll do that comfortably. He's a smart animal. All a Breeze wins by 6. Seconds nearly a dead heat. Shady McFly, Dot the Eye. Then a break back, De Nuno. From Cranky Frankie, and very tight in the run home, last in Caramar Philemon.